Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about the family in Norwegian. Family is a cornerstone of any society, and understanding family-related terms and phrases is essential for anyone learning a new language. The Norwegian language is no exception. If you're interested in learning Norwegian, a good starting point is getting acquainted with family vocabulary. In our discussion today, we will give you an overview of essential terms and phrases that you can use to talk about the family or familie, familie in Norwegian. Basic terms: en familie, en familie, en familie, a family. Ei mor, ei mor, ei mor, a mother. En far, en far, en far, a father. Ei søster, ei søster, ei søster, a sister. En bror, en bror, en bror, a brother. Ei datter, ei datter, ei datter, a daughter. En sønn, en sønn, en sønn, a son. Ei bestemor, ei bestemor, ei bestemor, a grandmother. En bestefar, en bestefar, en bestefar, a grandfather. Ei tante, ei tante, ei tante, an aunt. En onkel, en onkel, en onkel, an uncle. Ei niese, ei niese, ei niese, a niece. En nevø, en nevø, en nevø, a nephew. En fetter, en fetter, en fetter, a cousin, male. Ei kusine, ei kusine, ei kusine, a cousin, female. Possessive phrases. When you want to talk about your own family, you can use possessive pronouns along with the family terms. Here are some examples. Min familie, min familie, min familie, my family. Min mor, min mor, min mor, my mother. Min far, min far, min far, my father. Min søster, min søster, min søster, my sister. Min bror, min bror, min bror, my brother. You can also specify whose family or family member you are talking about by using other possessive pronouns such as din, 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 your singular. Hans, Hans, Hans is hennes, 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 her. Vår, 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 our. Deres, 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 your. Plural, their. For example, hans søster, hans søster, hans søster, his sister. Hennes bror, hennes bror, hennes bror, her brother. Plurals. The plural forms of family-related nouns in Norwegian typically add er, 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 or to the base noun. For example, mødre, 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 mothers. Fedre, 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 fathers. Søster, søster, søstre, sisters. Brødre, 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 brothers. Common phrases and questions. When you're conversing in Norwegian, you may find the following phrases and questions useful. Hvor mange er det i familien din? Hvor mange er det i familien din? Hvor mange er det i familien din? How many are there in your family? Har du søsken? Har du søsken? Har du søsken? Do you have siblings? Hva arbeider din far med? Hva arbeider din far med? Hva arbeider din far med? What does your father work with? Hvor mange barn har du? Hvor mange barn har du? Hvor mange barn har du? How many children do you have? Din bestemor fortsatt i live? Din bestemor fortsatt i live? Din bestemor fortsatt i live? Is your grandmother still alive? Usage in sentences. Here are some example sentences to help you understand how these terms and phrases are used. Jeg har en stor familie. Jeg har en stor familie. Jeg har en stor familie. I have a big family. Min mor er lærer. Min mor er lærer. Min mor er lærer. My mother is a teacher. Min far og bror er i Norge. Min far og bror er i Norge. Min far og bror er i Norge. My father and brother are in Norway. Våre besteforeldre bor i Oslo. Våre besteforeldre bor i Oslo. Våre besteforeldre bor i Oslo. Our grandparents live in Oslo. Hennes tante og onkel besøkte oss i går. Hennes tante og onkel besøkte oss i går. Hennes tante og onkel besøkte oss i går. Her aunt and uncle visited us yesterday. Unlock a world of opportunity to connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with NLS Language School, Norwegian Language School, by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,